Allez les bleus, allez, on chante pour vous porter. Paris, Marseille, Lyon, toute la cité.
What do you think of that? Well, yes, that was entirely done by AI, including that incredible music. Hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I am going to make a commenters which come true. This guy's named Football2259 asked, "Excuse me, do you think you could help me with something? It's not this type of football shorts, but the ones that I'm trying to make are all different types of players from same country as each other. And I want to do a French football player, then versus now YouTube short with all the photos I have, but how do I work it out and make lots of people want to watch it and then give me lots of likes? Because for some reason my YouTube shorts don't really ever get many views at. Thank you for the question. Let's get right into creating. Well, first let me do some research on some famous French national football players. Let's take Thierry Henry for example. Okay, now we go to the image generator section from Higgsfield. I will use the Nano Banana Pro model. Now, we write the following prompt. Teenage Thierry Henry wearing a French football national shirt standing next to Thierry Henry from the present. They are holding a football and are in a football stadium. And generate it. Here it is. I really love it. Now I will do the same for another 3 French footballers. Here are the results. Let's download the images. Now we go to the video generation section. I have selected the Kling 2.5 Turbo model. Now we add a start frame with Henry and then for the end frame, for example, Ribéry. For the prompt, write something like that, the ball is thrown and there is a smooth transition. And generate it. Here is the result. Okay, almost perfect, but I made some errors in the prompt. Let's change the ball to football. And through should be thrown, of course. Now let's generate it again. Yes, this looks marvelous. Now we switch the frames around, delete the end frame and add a new image and generate it again. For the last image, I will only have a starting frame and write in the prompt that they shoot the football away. Once the generations are done, download the videos and add them accordingly in a video editing software. Now comes the part where we will create the background music. Simply go to Music Creator AI, the link is in the description. Now I will simply write French football music and generate it. After like 30 seconds, we can already listen to one of the results. Here it is.
Allez, allez, les bleus, hey, tous ensemble. Encore. Maillot bleu, drapeau qui tremble dans le bus, on chante trop fort. Dans les yeux, la même étincelle, on veut tout, on vise l'or. Allez les bleus, allez, on
Sounds amazing. Now this one.
Les bleus, les bleus, tous ensemble encore. Maillot bleu, drapeau qui tremble, dans le bus, on chante trop fort.
Also great, now add it to the video and export it in 4K. Yo, I almost forgot, but I also added their names and finally I added a filter to make the video even cooler. You are now the king of the world. See you in the next video. Bye!
Allez les bleus, allez.